Hello there, YouTube, and just a quick update from the workshop. It is 20 past 11 on Thursday evening. This is not the Friday update, but I'm just going to go a very quick thing what I've been doing today. I have not been doing the casting, which I should have been doing, but I've been doing something that will be supporting the casting, which is building a roto-casting machine. And there's been a lot of stuff about on Hackaday about rotocasters recently, which I can't say I've been too happy about, because it all started with someone who wants to sell a open source rotocasting design for an excessive amount of money, when there's already designs out there on Instructables and so forth, and they're building it with a custom microcontroller control system, which is a little bit over the top. But maybe if you're really fussy about it, I suppose you could do it that way. But I've come up with a way of doing it a lot cheaper, faster, simpler, hopefully. And I'll go into more detail. But here is this thing. It's sit, stay. Camera's come loose. Hold on. There we go. Beautiful. Okay. This is what I built today. It's made out of wood, and it terrifies me. So I had to make it reasonably large to take the horns, which you can see in the background. The large ones are the big ram horns, and they'll just about fit in there. Because I want them to be a nice even cast. What I've used, I'll go into more detail later, but basically it's a couple of drill motors. Little battery drill motors, because they have the variable speed triggers on them. And I'm going to rig that up once I've improved the wiring a little bit. I'm going to rig the triggers up on some blocks with some wedges so I can force them to stay at a set speed. And I've used the recoil reel out of an old vacuum cleaner here for the rotary brushes to transmit power over the axle. This is proper Scavengers workshop stuff. I hook it up to the battery here because I don't have any high current 12 volts of DC supplies, so that will have to do. This is where it gets terrifying. It's slipping just here. I need to put some glue in it really to get it working. If I give it a kick start, it catches up. And then I engage the center . Yeah, if I get a bit too speedy on the centre, it doesn't like it very much. It really needs clamping down. If you've ever seen the film Event Horizon, it's kind of what it makes me think of. Yeah, ooh. It's a bit lively. It's a bit fucking lively. Yeah, that's right. I put bearings in to try and keep it reasonably low friction so it doesn't go horribly wrong. But yeah, it's a bit hairy at the moment, but it does work. Yeah, I need to improve the wiring because it's got some duff contacts there where I've got using the crocodile clips. Once I get that solved, get the control board set up a bit better, I'm gonna need to put some more cooling on it because these things are not meant for. They're not continual rated. So I need to put extra cooling on the controllers there. Oh, it's got quite warm already. Yeah, might have a bigger heat sink on them perhaps. I've got some heat sinks knocking around that can do the job with some fans. And yeah, and make sure I clamp it down to the fucking table before I turn it on again. Because this thing scares the shit out of me. It's you saw how it's just everywhere. Oh, yeah, that's gonna be but hopefully it should do the job once I can get it a little bit more stable. It's a little bit overpowered at the moment.